Say it kind of caught on fire. What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. You know what I'm saying? I can say that now. But in today's video, you know what I'm saying, I'm finna be trying viral TikTok snacks until I get kicked out of the kitchen. Let's hear me get to the video before I get kicked out. Listen, I finally got the kitchen, you know what I'm saying? They've been in here for like 20 minutes. But the first thing I'm gonna cook is these Oreo balls.
Hey, I got something to say.
Alright, let's get started on making them. Hopefully I'll make them right, if I'm being honest. We got the Oreos, we got the chocolate, you know what I'm saying? And we got the cream cheese. But here's the problem right here. I don't know if this is going to taste good just because it says cream cheese. And Oreos and cream cheese don't go together for me. But we got the bowl, we got this. That does not sound good. I actually cannot stop smiling. But the first step we need to take, bro, look at this. Look at this, bro. My brother ate the whole middle row. The whole middle and some of the other row. Man, he is fat. I'm gonna take all the cream inside of these Oreos. And I got another bowl for it. Yeah, we're just gonna take the cream out and put it, and then we're gonna put the, I'm just gonna say the black part. We're gonna put the black part inside this bag. And we're gonna crush them up. Boom. Hey, now that I have them all in here, I'm finna crush them up. Okay, hold on, wait. Now that I have them in here, I'm about to crush them up. I still didn't do nothing. Alright, let's mix this together. I already crushed up the Oreos. Let's put these inside here. Probably should have crushed them up a little bit more. Probably a little bit more. I probably should have got a bigger bowl. But this will do for now. And let's get this cream cheese, which this does not seem like it goes in here. That is great, and it's thick. That motherfucker thick. I think this is enough, and it really did say how much to put in there. I really feel like this is too much now. Kind of feel like this is too much. All right, I have it all mixed together. It should look something like this. You know what I'm saying? Now we're gonna roll into the balls, but before I do that, let me tell you this: mixing this was a workout. Oh my gosh, it was a workout. Look at my hair. This was a workout. I should use the one of those things to go like. All right, now let's make this into some balls. I'm done making these right here. You know what I'm saying? I only can make 7 of them, but I really feel like I put too much cream cheese in it, and look at my hands. Yeah, let's go put these inside the refrigerator for 30 to an hour, I believe. We're just gonna leave them in there for quite some time. Let's just do that. I didn't really know what to do with this cream, so I guess I'm just gonna use it for the chocolate that we put on top of it. All right, listen. I had to cook it on the stove because my microwave, like, basically is giving out. We've been having it for a while, but that mug almost caught on fire. I think it low-key did catch on fire, but I'm gonna say it kind of caught on fire, but it really caught on fire. Like, the microwave really caught on fire. Yeah, we're gonna have to throw this mug out. I'm gonna see does it work right now. I'm gonna try it. That scared the fuck out of me. Just to let y'all know I wasn't lying or nothing. I got the Oreo balls out the freezer. And I just melted the chocolate. And I'm finna drizzle it on there. Ooh, look at me. I said drizzle. Okay, now we're gonna put them back in the freezer. I think for like 30 more minutes. I think so.
Hey, this is off subject. I know my boy in here making a video. Let's say, whatever this chocolate contraption he just made, get you a strawberry. Just go crazy, you feel me?
Just took out the Oreo balls. This is what they look like. Hold on, let me turn the camera around. Time for a taste test. But this actually hit. This actually hit. It's way too much chocolate for me, but this must hit. And I ain't gonna lie, this must hit. Follow me on TikTok. On to the next snack. The second thing I'm going to make is these grape things.
Fun snack hack. Wet grapes and cover them in the Jello mix. Freeze and enjoy.
Honestly, I feel like this is going to actually be my favorite. I'm not even going to lie. I feel like this is going to be my favorite. I'll probably make these like afterwards. I feel like I'm going to keep the vine on. I feel like I can just grab. You know, just watch what I do. Let it drip dry. Let it drip dry. Let it drip dry. Oh, yeah. Also, I got the red kind. Any flavor as you choose. I only really got the red because the red was the only thing there. I wanted blue, but they only had red. No, I feel like that's enough. Ooh, yeah, we're gonna check them out. Yo, I already smell it. It smells so good. Now I want some Kool-Aid. Don't be racist. Kool-Aid grapes, sugar. Now we're gonna freeze this. I keep saying Kool-Aid, but I mean Jello. But it do smell like Kool-Aid though.
Few moments later.
You know what's crazy? It didn't never say how long to put these in for, but I had these in there for like an hour and a half. I think it's straight. Hold on, let me take them out. I'm gonna take them out real quick so I can show you guys what they look like. Oh shit. Okay. And I got this plate right here. I like these. Hey, this one right here is a good one. Yeah. Alright, now I'm finna try the jalapenos and cream cheese and Takis.
Jalapeno and cream cheese plus Takis.
We still have some cream cheese from when we made the Oreo balls, so hopefully this tastes good. Apparently, I feel like I said, I feel like this is gonna be my favorite. TikTok said this one's the best one, so let's go make it. My phone died, so you don't get to see me hollow this thing out. But I hollowed it out with this knife. Be careful, I almost stabbed myself 2 times. Alright, I got the cream cheese, jalapenos, Takis right behind me. I really don't know how to put this in here. Like, oh, that was easy. Never mind. That was super easy. Great value cream cheese is the best cream cheese. Maybe I shouldn't use that much. Cream cheese. I got a big jalapeno. Probably like what, 3 Takis? 3 Takis. Oh, probably some more. I can put another one. I can put like 2 more in here. I can put like 2 more. Cream cheese. Ooh, Takis. For some reason, let me put one more thing of cream cheese on there though. Just to top it off. Taste test. This is honestly straight. This ain't even. I mean, honestly good. Like it was honestly. This is bomb. I ain't gonna lie. This is good. Let's go to the next one. The next thing I'm gonna make is like is healthy. I don't. Anything healthy is nasty. Not really, but it is. but it's like some cucumber and with ranch seasoning. And you like let it sit overnight. I'm gonna make this for my girlfriend. I'm gonna try it, but I want her to try it. Like, all right, I got the cucumber. I don't feel right with it. I got my ranch seasoning. You know what's crazy? I know I said I wanted my girlfriend to try this, but for some reason I feel like this is gonna taste good now that I'm thinking about it, you know? Okay, let's get started. That's crazy. You know what? For the first time ever, I can say I peeled a cucumber. I'm gonna try this raw. Honestly, don't taste bad. You know what's crazy? I really just be chilling. I know one thing though, cucumber cut way better than a potato. I think I gotta keep this inside the refrigerator for 30 minutes, I think. I know some of these pieces are too big, but I mean, hey. Everyone likes it big. I honestly feel like that's enough seasoning. I think I maybe have put a little bit too much seasoning if I'm being honest, but I feel like it's gonna taste good, you know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Few moments later.
You know what I'm saying? This is how they look. Oh, that's cool. Like the okay, hold on. It's cool because the sauce is like dissolved inside the cucumbers. You know what I'm saying? Let's try this. Let's try this one real quick. Healthy food, healthy food for us. Healthy food for us. I'm not a healthy food person, but it's straight. It's straight. Alright, to end the video off, I seen this dude, he coated his Takis with sugar. He shook it all up and got it like, I guess all sugary. Or maybe I should make a Kool-Aid pickle. Or, whoa, wait. Yeah, Kool-Aid pickle? Because I don't want to go back to the store. Probably the Taki. I'm going to do both. This is sugar. Don't think I'm rude. Oh, I'm finna say, I bet I left my Takis. Alright, got my sugar, got my Takis. I know, this is a big ass bag, but you know, it's crazy. We don't got no little bags. Well, we did this one for the donut, the Oreo balls, but I didn't know that was the last one. So let's see. We're gonna mix this together. We're gonna shake this a little bit. Shake, shake, shake. Okay, I think that's enough. I like these ones. These ones are way simple. Then the Kool-Aid pickle is gonna be even. Oh shit! I'm making a mess. Hold on. Hold on now. I can eat these every day. Well, let's put one in the camera. Oh yeah. I'm gonna be eating these later. I'm just gonna make the Kool-Aid pickle. I said I was gonna make like Kool-Aid pickles, but these are not my pickles, and I don't want to go to the store and get these pickles. But I feel like I can just get some of them, put them in a cup type stuff. And these ain't even the right pickles, but I'm lazy, so we're gonna use these. Like, what they gonna do? What they gonna do about it? No, someone ain't gonna fight me over no pickles. Look like that, no cap. Hey, them pickles smell pickly. I'm gonna pour this Kool-Aid in there real quick. Not a lot though, because I only got a little bit, but you know what I'm saying, enough. I have accidentally poured a lot. But it's still gonna bust though, no cap. Alright, I'm gonna try this real quick. You know what I'm saying? Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Much hell? It was too sour. You know what I'm saying? But that's it for the video, man. I'm gonna eat all these though. I think for a video, I'm actually gonna try to grind for 1 million followers on TikTok. I guess the grind starts when I post this video. The grind starts when I post this video. Yeah, wish me luck. Peace, man.